it was not easy for me to get here. Yeah, but that spirit of not giving up, being determined, and also not being shy. Greetings everyone, my name Williams, and I want to take this opportunity to thank everyone that has supported my YouTube channel from 1 subscriber to 10k subscribers. Guys, I don't take this for granted. It's a big milestone to me and to my subscribers. So I know the journey of YouTube is not easy. It's not a bed of roses to create content. Content creation comes with challenges, sleepless nights, but I'm very happy that my YouTube channel, _Williams UG, managed to hit 10k subscribers. The journey of YouTube, I started it way back, and to be honest, I've encountered many challenges, but you know, as a man, there are things you have to forego, and you're like, okay, yes. But all in all, I promise you guys that if you share my videos, you give a like to my videos, all will be well. Now, for the YouTubers who are coming up or who want to, to create content, let me tell you this. Don't wait to have big cameras. You don't need to have big cameras first. Don't fight to have GoPro. You can start with the little gadgets you have. Start with your phone. You might be having an iPhone. You might be having a Samsung or any kind of a phone. Make content wherever you are. Don't wait to first travel from maybe your city or your country or anywhere. Start from where you are. Show us what is there, what is new, what do you think people want to see. And the most important thing, when you've just started YouTube, you want to shoot every kind of videos you find. It is fine. But with time, you realize that you need to find a niche. Now, a niche is that kind or that category of videos that you do. Like, do you do street life, nightlife, cooking vlogs? You do kind of maybe sports analysis. You analyze sports, etc. It was not easy for me to get here. Yeah, but that spirit of not giving up, being determined, and also not being shy. You know the problem you might be scared, oh, my family, my friends, how will they see me? My dear friend, let me tell you, if you're starting, take this from me. Many of your family members, many of the so-called friends, they won't support you. If you're having 10 friends and you go through them, you tell them, guys, tomorrow I'm starting my journey on YouTube, they'll be like, is this guy mad? Is he going crazy? Let me tell you, 1% will support you, but the 9, they won't support you. You send them the link, they won't even open the link. But with God's grace, you're going to make it without your family members, without your friends. Just keep the consistency, wake up, create content, engage your subscribers, and build a family, build a brand. That's how I've survived to make videos. I know that when you're starting videos, you're not perfect. No one is perfect 100%, because things concerning content creation, we learn day by day. We perfect every day, because every day, every month, every year, you learn a new skill. Sometimes you might start when you don't know even how to edit. You don't know how to put background music. Sometimes you get issues with copyright. I have a lot of videos, almost like 10 videos. I got copyright. When I started YouTube, no one advised me on how to go slow over the music that is maybe copyrighted. I didn't know. I would just be like, this song is really beautiful. Without any minute, I'll find an email. You're using the music you have used is under copyright. So you find that anyway, there are many things you learn along the way, but the most important thing is to start wherever you are. Like I said, don't wait to first be friends with big YouTubers. They won't associate with you, they won't give you time. Create content, well and good. If you find them, let them find you somewhere. Don't wait for them to be like, I'll start when I meet this kind of a YouTuber. He was my favorite YouTuber. No, it shouldn't work. It shouldn't be like that. I suggest that wake up, start, have that spirit to show up every day. And my dear friend, you're going to make it. And let me tell you, YouTube is the only platform that changes life. It changes life. If you continue doing what you're doing every day, man, you're going to make it. It is just a matter of time. When I started my channel, I was looking at how can my channel impact the people around me. And yes, I've done it. Many people have shared their stories, and their stories, I know, they have helped people. I've realized that I've inspired many people to start YouTube channels. I've helped people to start their platforms, and they're doing well. So if you're there, you still have to make big plans. I don't know, I'll start next year, I'll start next month. I'm asking you to wake up. Start creating content. Show us your life. And be ready to face many challenges, because creating content, you lose many friends. Because the moment you open YouTube, people think that you start earning. It is not like that. It takes steps. Now for me, it took me like 6 months to get 1K subscribers. It took me like 1 year to have 4,000 watch hours. You know, when you want to join YouTube or YouTube partnership program to start earning some little revenue, YouTube has steps that they consider for you to be part of the YouTube partnership program. By then, you had to have 1K subscribers and also have 4,000 watch hours. Let me tell you this. If you're from a family of YouTubers or celebrities, it is very easy for you. There are people who are on YouTube and they got 1K in just one day. Even from one video, they got 1K. And there are those ones, it took even them maybe 1 year, 2 years. They felt like giving up, but they are still there. So let me tell you, don't mind about making money just a trans night. Okay, YouTube is a journey where you have to walk, a journey you have to cry, to smile, and also to be determined. So if you're coming to YouTube and you want to make quick money, it might stress you. Yes, it might stress you, and you should avoid to be money minded. Well, I want to thank you guys for the 10K subscription, and I want to let you know that I don't take your support for granted. I appreciate whoever shares my content, whoever takes their time and watch my videos, and also those of you that give a like. You don't know what it means to me. It means a lot. It means a lot to me, and I'm so grateful to have you as a family. And I promise that this is going to be a bigger platform whereby we shall have different programs, maybe people to learn, people to get more skills, to put out stories that show what is happening in the world. Big plans are coming. Just keep the support, keep it, yeah. So I'm just having I'm having this drink here. It's called green tea. Yeah, and this is where am I right now. And I know that YouTube has been there for a long period of time. Many people have changed their lives. People have met their loved ones, and people are still learning more from YouTube. So don't give up. Don't think that maybe you are left out. YouTube has no age limit. At age of 18, 20 to 70, you can start a YouTube channel. You share your experience. People want to learn from you. Talents are being discovered every day. So guys, I don't want to talk much, but as I said, this video was about thanking everyone that has supported me, and actually not forgetting those people that watch videos but don't support or don't subscribe. You're also amazing people. I know maybe one time you also subscribe. I pray that you find a reason to become a subscriber to my YouTube channel. I also thank you. You might not subscribe, but you watch the content. Thank you so much. Big up on yourself. Now, I promise you guys great content, massive out content, and I know that with time we're going to become a big family. Just do me a favor, show me support. You can advise me on any kind of videos that I put out, and I'm looking forward to see that I create videos that impact, videos that change people's lives.